When it comes to the day-to-day management and marketing of your photography business, you need a simple framework that makes it easy to make good decisions and prioritize tasks. This is a simple way to look at your business. You need to create a product, you need to create awareness of the product, then you need to convert a percentage of those people into paying customers. We can use this concept to create an entire marketing plan that fits on one screen, that you can manage and update every day. I call it the PAC Strategy. If you're new to my content, I'm Adam Radley and I'm the founder of IIMAGINE. This channel is for photographers that want to start and grow their business. I'm also creating a series of videos called 100 Ways to Get Customers for Photographers. If you want to receive alerts when I release new videos, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so what is a PAC strategy? PAC stands for Product, Awareness and Conversion. Most business models look something like this. You need to have a product to sell, you need to generate awareness of the product, then you need to convert some of those people into customers. Now, you can replace the word product with services and you can replace the word awareness with traffic. It's all the same thing. It's critical for you to understand that you need to optimize all three of these. I'm sure you understand that the best product in the world will not sell if your site does not receive any traffic, and all the traffic in the world won't generate sales if your conversion strategy doesn't work. If you do happen to get a lot of traffic and you do a good job of converting them into sales, but you're selling a crappy product, you'll make some sales in the short term, but you'll get bad reviews, you'll have a lot of refunds, your payment processor will shut you down, you'll get blacklisted in multiple places, and people will sue you. So again, you need to optimize all three of these. One of the most common reasons that businesses fail is that they only do a good job with one or two of these. Your success will always be limited by your weakest link in this sequence. I repeat, your success will always be limited by your weakest link in this sequence. You have to optimize all of them. As always, the best way to demonstrate a concept like this is with an example. So let's go ahead and create a PAC strategy for a wedding photography business. We'll start by creating 3 lists, one for product, one for awareness, and one for conversion. So what products or services do we want to add? Or if we already have products or services, how can we improve them? I'm going to assume that we're an existing business and that we want to think about how we can improve our existing wedding photography service. So let's create some ideas. Maybe we can add a framing service. Maybe we can include some free consulting about how to make the event space more photogenic. Maybe we can provide some advanced editing for customers that want more stylized photographs. The next step is to think about how we can make our target market aware of our services. So let's assume that we decide to try Google Ads, Facebook ads, search engine optimization, posting on Instagram, and posting on Pinterest. Now, how do we convert some of these people into paying customers? The first thing we need to do is to direct them to a very specific page on our website in order to start explaining what we do and start building a relationship with the prospect. So this means we need a website and we need landing pages. So the summary of what we've done so far is that we're going to offer these products and services, and we're going to make our target market aware of them by using these strategies, and we're going to attempt to convert a portion of them into paying customers by pitching our products and services on these landing pages on our website. In case you haven't noticed, I'm using Trello. One of the advantages of using Trello is that you can enter as much information as you like behind each of these cards. For example, if you want to create more detail about what this consulting really involves, just click on this task and enter more information in the description. If you want to break it down into checklists, just click on checklists, then start entering the items for your checklist. You can check these items off as you go, and you can also create multiple checklists. Okay, so what we have now is a summary of our marketing plan. The next step is to turn the plan into tasks that we'll actually start working on. So let's create a new list called Backlog, and another one called Tasks for Today, and a third one called Tasks for Archives. Now let's put the ideas that you actually plan to work on in this backlog list. You might do these tasks in a week, or a month, or in 12 months. It doesn't make any difference. These are tasks that you plan to do at some point in time. Now let's imagine that you're having coffee one morning and you decide that today is the day that you're going to start posting images of your new stylized wedding photography on Instagram. So you move this card from the backlog list to the task list for today. Now there's an important point I need to make about this list. Never ever put anything in this task list that you're not committed to completing today. If this list becomes so long that there's no realistic possibility that the tasks will be completed today, and you simply keep adding to it every day and every week, this list will turn into garbage. The whole point of this process is to review all of the things that you could do, and then make a decision about the single most important thing that you will do, and commit to doing it. In the meantime, as you probably know, Trello is a project management tool, so you can invite your team members into this task and manage them as opposed to doing the task yourself. When the task is done, you can move it to the archives list. Some of you will be asking, why do we need an archives list? The main reason is that many of these tasks will not end. You might decide that you need to do this task again one day in the future, so the easiest way to set up the task is to just move this card back into the task list for today and then edit the task as required, as opposed to starting from scratch. There are also going to be times when you might need to refer to the information in the task in order to create a new task. So as you can see, this section contains your ideas about how to increase revenue. These are the tasks that you've decided to do at some point in time in the future, and these are the specific tasks that you'll do today. The simple summary here is that this is the most efficient way for you to see everything that you need to do to grow your business on one screen. Then select the optimal task that you need to do today. Each and every day you should be asking yourself, what can I do to make my product or service better? What can I do to make more people in my target audience aware of my products and services? And what can I do to convince the highest percentage of those people to become paying customers? As far as I'm concerned, if you're not looking at this every day and asking those questions and answering them and then working on the most important tasks, you're not serious about growing your business. Okay, I've spent a lot of time talking about how to increase awareness and how to optimize conversion. But how do you do it? You need to offer good products or services, then you need to make a portion of your target audience aware of them, and then you need to convert a percentage of them into paying customers. So how do you do all that? First, I'll be releasing a series of videos about 100 ways to get customers for photographers. So go ahead and subscribe if you want to receive alerts when those videos are released. Second, you can generate awareness by using IIMAGINE. It's a platform for people that want to grow their business while having a positive impact on the world. You can grow your customers and social media followers by connecting with other people on IIMAGINE and cross-promoting your brand to each other's customers and followers. You can also find co-founders and sources of capital. The best part of this is that it's free and doesn't involve doing any work. Just create an account, upload a profile pic, enter a brief bio, select Grow My Photography Business, and check the boxes that match your objectives. Then let the algorithm match you with people that want to work with you. Your matches will show up in your inbox. There are also a lot of other things that you can do on IIMAGINE to grow your business and have a positive impact. Check out the links in the description. Third, if you decide that you want to implement any of the 100 ways to get customers for photographers, you'll need to have the website, landing pages, CRM, and other tools and automations required to convert as many of them as possible into paying customers. To help photographers have the best chance of success, I've created the Photography Growth Package. So what is the Photography Growth Package? I created a digital agency called IIMAGINE Digital, so that we can provide everything that you see in my marketing videos. In order to succeed, you need three things: an advanced website with stunning design that addresses all of the 30 critical trust factors, advanced marketing strategies that increase awareness and conversion rates, advanced marketing tools that automate everything. The Photography Growth Package includes a 31-page website that's been set up for photographers with stunning design that addresses all 30 trust factors, everything you need for e-commerce, advanced marketing funnels, a fully featured CRM, ready-made email templates, and more than 100 automations pre-configured. We'll set up everything for you. You just need to add information about your business, then start acquiring customers. If you don't use advanced marketing strategies and you don't use automations, you'll be at a massive disadvantage, because digital marketing simply takes too much time when you do it manually. Your business and your personal income depend on it. This is the best way for you to instantly address all of the trust factors, instantly have all of the automations that I mention in all of my videos, and have everything you need to execute the 100 strategies in my series about 100 ways to get customers for photographers. And you'll get all of this with the least amount of time, money, and effort. For most of you, the ability to have everything you need instantly set up and ready to go, so that you can get customers 100 different ways, will be the difference between success and failure. Check out the links in the description to learn more about it. In the meantime, if you do want to use your existing systems and tools, that's fine. I'm still going to give you my 100 best strategies, all outlined step by step for free in these videos. Just keep in mind that it will take more time and cost more money. I know I've discussed a lot of things in this video that might be new to you. If you know this is all very valuable, but you're in a hurry and you don't know what to do next, just subscribe to this channel and go to IIMAGINE and create a free account. It'll only take 30 seconds and we'll send you an email with a checklist about what you should do next. Then you'll have all the information you need and you can do it whenever the time is right for you. I've included links to everything in the description. I've also included links to related videos. As always, think about how you can grow your business in a way that has a positive impact. The best way to do it is with the IIMAGINE platform. I'll see you in the next video.